In the middle of a quiet Indian village, there stood a giant mango tree. It had beautiful green leaves and golden, sweet mangoes. Birds loved to fly in the warm, sunny sky. But the giant tree was proud and selfish. It never shared its fruit. "These fruits are mine, go away." It shook its big branches to scare the birds. The village children looked up, feeling very sad. Other trees in the village were happy and kind. They shared their yummy fruits. Birds sang sweet songs in their branches. And cheerful children laughed and played below. One day, a big winter storm hit the quiet village. Dark clouds filled the sky. Strong winds blew, and heavy rain poured down. The selfish tree's branches broke, and all its golden mangoes fell to the wet ground. After the storm, a kind little girl stopped near the broken tree. She looked at the tree with warm, gentle eyes. Very carefully, she picked up the fallen golden mangoes from the grass. The little girl did not keep the mangoes for herself. She shared them with old village elders, hungry children, and kind neighbors. Great happiness and warm smiles spread across the whole village. The mango tree saw the happy villagers and felt a beautiful warmth inside. It realized the wonderful joy of helping others. Its cold, lonely face changed into a warm, bright, and happy smile. Warm, happy spring arrived with bright golden sunlight. Flowers bloomed, and birds returned to sing. Children played joyfully under the tree as it gently dropped sweet mangoes into their hands. Moral of the story: sharing makes you rich in a way money cannot. When you give to others, you are never truly alone.